Whether you're a first-time car buyer or a seasoned pro, this video is a must-watch before you hit the dealership. Picture this. You've saved up for months, you're ready to buy your dream car, and you head to the dealership full of excitement. But little do you know, lurking in the shadows, there are used cars waiting to drain your bank account and leave you stranded on the side of the road. It's a harsh reality, but the good news is, you don't have to fall victim to the tricks of the trade. With the power of knowledge and the lemon test, you'll be able to spot those deceptive vehicles from a mile away. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the lemon test? Well, my friend, it's a proven method that empowers you to thoroughly inspect any used car and identify potential red flags. We'll be diving deep into the crucial criteria that make up the lemon test, giving you the tools to make an informed decision and avoid those costly mistakes. So, if you're ready to become a master at spotting faulty used cars, join us on this thrilling adventure. We promise you won't be disappointed. Buckle up, my friends, because together, we'll navigate the treacherous roads of the used car market and emerge victorious. In this video, we're going to empower you with the knowledge and skills to spot those potential lemons and avoid future headaches. Our first stop on this lemon hunting journey takes us under the hood. The engine is the heart of any car, and inspecting it can reveal a lot about its condition. Look for any signs of leaks, corrosion, or worn-out belts. These could be red flags that the car hasn't been well cared for. Now, let's dive into the maintenance records. This is like the car's diary, and it can provide valuable insights into its history. Pay attention to regular maintenance, such as oil changes and tire rotations. Inconsistent or incomplete records could indicate a neglected car. Time for some action. The test drive is where you can really feel the car and assess its performance. Listen for any strange noises, feel how the car handles, and test the brakes. Trust your gut instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Last but not least, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A thorough inspection by a trusted mechanic can save you from potential lemon disasters. Remember, it's better to invest a little now than to regret a big purchase later. A mechanic can uncover hidden problems and give you peace of mind. And there you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge and skills to master the art of spotting faulty used cars. Don't let lemons sour your car buying experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car buying tips and tricks. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, when life gives you lemons, don't buy them. Stay tuned for more exciting content.